In this video, I will show you how you can fix the Reconnect bug in League of Legends. Now first what you need to do is you need to open up the League of Legends, click on the cogwheel, the settings up here, find Game. Now tick this box, preferred DX9 Legacy Mode. Tick this and press Done. Okay. Then press Exit. Now once you're here, you're gonna need to find your League of Legends folder. I have mine saved on my D drive. You locate it, go into Write Games, League of Legends, and then Game. From in here, you're gonna find the League of Legends. You're gonna right click on this, Properties, Compatibility, and from in here, you're gonna press Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Make sure to tick this box. Then go into Change High DPI settings. Make sure this is on. Just like that. Okay, apply. Now run League of Legends again as you normally would, and it will hopefully be fixed. Thanks for watching.